Aave might retreat 2.4% by May 2, per CoinLore. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. Based on the current data, Aave has increased 0.8% since yesterday and trades near $93.29. Now we move to the analysts' outlooks. CoinDataFlow expects the price to move toward $94.29 by tomorrow, representing a gain of about 1.1%. CoinPrice Forecast expects Aave could move toward $93.38, roughly 0.1% higher. Digital Coin Price notes it might drift lower toward $91.95, a projected decrease close to 1.4%. Another forecast released by CoinLore notes Aave could be on track to $91.08, a loss estimated at 2.4%. And lastly, Crypto Predictions projects $88.57 by May 2, down by 5.1%. This one offers the best short-term payoff. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. From the compiled outlooks, the potential change in price could vary between a decline of 5.1% and a gain of 1.1%, depending on the analyst. This means Crypto Predictions comes in with the top forecast with 5.1% gain in value by tomorrow. As the data shows, you could collect between $1 and $51 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, CoinPrice Forecast has the strongest forecast, carrying a 97.1% chance of success. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. The consensus scenario places Aave roughly 1.5% below current price. Here's the full picture. The consensus expectation is for a decrease of 1.5%. To phrase it clearly, your capital could likewise increase by about 1.5% as part of that scenario. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $15 gained. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 94.4%. Before moving forward, let's review how analysts project the 3-day outlook. CoinDataFlow indicates that prices could dip further. According to CoinPrice Forecast, Aave is likely to trade sideways. Digital Coin Price expects Aave to head lower. Additionally, CoinLore expects losses to extend. Likewise, Crypto Predictions believes the chart points to a decline. The consensus view outlines Aave on a declining track over the next 3 days. Bringing the views together, the majority expect Aave to trend weaker. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts looked ahead to the next day. With that day now over, we can check the results. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $92.85. Yesterday's results showed that most analysts were right about the move. The highest accuracy outlook was delivered by CoinCodex. Now we'll take it step by step. Only one prediction managed to fall inside the candle. As for ROI, some analysts ended in the green, while CoinDataFlow recorded the best return of 4.5%. And now the overall results are on screen. Everything in one view. CoinLore's forecast probability stood at 95.3%, with $5.43 accuracy and minus 4.5% ROI. Try to notice which predictions aged best once the day was over. Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Aave and other assets. Aave is not the leader today, as the highest forecasted profitability belongs to Litecoin with 3.4%. Only 5 cryptocurrencies are included in this section, and a wider comparison across many assets is already available on my website. Subscribe so you can follow how these forecasts play out. Bye, folks.